Melanotan-1 is a neuroimmune modulator, a pain-modulating compound, and a photoprotective agent that changes how the body responds to inflammation, oxidative stress, and even DNA damage. Today, I want to give you a new way of thinking about this peptide, one that goes far beyond skin tone and dives into longevity, inflammation control, and pain reduction backed by real human studies. Anti-inflammatory power. The most overlooked benefit of Melanotan-1 is its ability to dramatically blunt inflammatory responses in human skin. A controlled human trial demonstrated that MT1 reduced pro-inflammatory cytokines, TNF-A, IL-1V, IL-6, after UV exposure, improved DNA repair signaling, reduced visible redness and swelling. Participants had significantly less erythema, redness, after UV exposure, and biopsies revealed downregulation of inflammatory gene expression, which is incredibly rare to see from a tanning-associated compound. Mechanistically, this makes sense. MT1 activates the melanocortin receptors, MC1R and MC3R, which influence inflammatory pathways throughout the body.
The data is confirming it. It's stable.
When activated, these receptors decrease NF-κB activity,
We
the same
found
inflammatory pathway targeted by compounds like curcumin and certain biologic drugs. The end result? Your body produces less inflammatory fire, and your cells repair damage faster. Whether it's sun exposure, oxidative stress, or inflammation-driven pain, MT1 reduces the signal and accelerates recovery. Pain modulation. Multiple human studies, including EPP, erythropoietic protoporphyria, trials published in the New England Journal of Medicine, demonstrate impressive improvements. In EPP patients exposed to sunlight, which causes extreme burning pain, MT1, a melanotide, led to significant reductions in phototoxic pain, longer pain-free light exposure, 171% more time outside versus placebo, faster recovery from inflammatory pain episodes, which makes sense because, mechanistically, MT1 reduces substance P, a neurotransmitter of pain and itch, CGRP, calcitonin gene-related peptide, the same pathway targeted by modern migraine drugs, peripheral nerve hypersensitivity, mast cell activation, one of the main drivers of redness and burning sensation. In human skin, MT1 reduces neurogenic inflammation by suppressing the neuropeptides that send pain signals to the brain. This is why patients with EPP report fewer and less intense pain episodes. I also suspect that a microdose of MT1 could help reduce mast cell activation in immunosensitive people. Melanotan-1 is mechanistically closer to an anti-inflammatory analgesic peptide than a cosmetic drug. Oxidative stress defense. Most people don't realize this, but Melanotan-1 enhances the skin's resilience in ways that are directly tied to longevity. In controlled UV exposure trials, Melanotan-1 administration resulted in higher minimal erythema dose, MED, meaning the skin could handle more UV without burning, reduced oxidative DNA photo damage, lower cyclobutane pyrimidine dimers, CPDs, the DNA lesions responsible for skin aging and cancer risk. Tanning is downstream of all the upstream processes Melanotan-1 kickstarts. The real story is that Melanotan-1 strengthens the cell's photoprotective pathways, improves DNA repair capacity, and reduces the inflammatory cascade that accelerates skin and mitochondrial aging. Even if you never cared about tanning again, the photoprotective and oxidative stress benefits alone would make Melanotan-1 worth researching. Final thoughts. Melanotan-1 is one of the most underrated peptides in the entire therapeutic landscape. If all you know about it is the tanning peptide, then you've missed 80% of what makes it powerful.
We did it.
Human trials
found the
repeatedly
cure.
demonstrate that Melanotan-1 reduces inflammation, improves DNA repair, raises pain thresholds, lowers neurogenic inflammatory signaling, enhances sunlight tolerance, improves quality of life in conditions involving light-induced pain, improved sunlight tolerance, reduced inflammation, better skin recovery, less burning or redness, more stable responses to UV-induced oxidative stress, less neurogenic pain after sun exposure, less mast cell activation. Beyond tanning, we should view
data is
Melanotan-1 as a
confirming it.
neuroimmune
It's stable.
modulating melanocortin peptide.
We did it. We actually found the cure.